Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TCL 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, S4210, 2023 model. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2.1 channel S-Class soundbar, fill your room with sound, bringing the movie theater experience into your home with just a single HDMI cable. It's home theater, made better. 200 watts total audio power, room-filling audio sound will immerse you in your favorite movies, TV shows, and music, delivering powerful audio experience. Wireless subwoofer with 5.5-inch bass speaker. Feel the bass with the wireless subwoofer featuring a large 5.5-inch bass speaker providing deep, rich tones. Dolby Audio and DT's Virtual X studio level tuning with Dolby Audio combined with immersive 3D sound of DT's Virtual X, taking your audio to new heights. HDMI input with ARC, connect seamlessly to your TV with HDMI ARC, enabling a simple, one-cable connection. Sleek S-Class design with 22-inch width bar, blends with your home decor with the sleek S-Class design that seamlessly fits with any interior design style. Bluetooth, stream your favorite music wirelessly with Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to play your favorite songs from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.